This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Cruise ship tourism is one of two significant components of marine-based tourism. The other component of marine-based tourism is yachting. In the past few years, the cruise ship industry has shown steady and impressive growth rates. It is expected to be a growth industry for a number of years to come. However, as this industry grows, there are a number of challenges that may slow the growth. Some of the challenges that face the industry include the perception that cruises pose a greater danger to the vacationer than other forms of vacation, fuel, competition from hotels, and increasing capacity of ships and ports. Increased danger. Some perceive cruising as a form of vacation as more dangerous than other competing vacations. The industry faces both real and perceived dangers from disease and crime. Though some dangers are real, they have been blown out of proportion, and they may slow the industry's future growth. It has been reported that many would-be cruise ship tourists shy away from it because they believe that they would become ill at sea. This belief may significantly hinder the growth of the industry and needs to be addressed by all the industry players, especially the cruise operators. Fear of falling victim to crime while at sea is also a significant hindrance to the growth of passenger numbers. In the past few years, there has been an increase in the number of acts of terrorism in general. Sea piracy is of particular concern to the cruise ship industry. With increasing piracy in some regions, cruise ship operators have been forced to abandon some lucrative destinations. This is very costly to the industry as some destinations were expected to open up and provide much-needed growth. Without these areas, the growth of the industry may stagnate. Sea safety should, therefore, be guaranteed, especially by governments that rely on the cruise ship industry as a source of revenue. Fuel. The cruise industry faces several challenges related to fuel. Increasing costs and environmental degradation are two significant challenges. Cruise ships have traditionally relied on diesel as their main source of energy. As the ships increase in size, their fuel consumption increases almost proportionately. This increased consumption inadvertently produces greater emissions and, therefore, increased environmental degradation. The cost of fuel has been rising in the past, thus pushing up the running costs of the cruise ship operators. These challenges have forced the operators to balance between customer satisfaction and environmental conservation. Competition with hotels. The cruise ship industry is facing stiff competition from hotels. Hotels have been positioning themselves as the holiday destinations of choice. They have employed several strategies to do that. Key among them is the provision of high-range services at a lower cost. Some high-spending tourists may choose hotels over cruising if they find that the services provided by hotels are commensurate with those provided by cruise ships. Congestion. Ships have increased in size with an increase in the number of cruise ship tourists. An increase in the number of passengers poses a challenge for the industry. If many of such big ships dock at one port of call, the port will experience congestion and its attendant problems. Over time, this may lead to a decline in revenue for the operators. Vacationers may avoid these destinations due to the expected increase in traffic to these ports. To mitigate all these challenges, the industry needs to employ calculated approaches. All the mitigation measures need to be carried out simultaneously for a better outcome. If you want to find more works like this essay on challenges facing the cruise industry, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.